Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today we're gonna show you how to like notes on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then just type in the search bar Instagram right here, and you gotta double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and here it says you can also like someone's note by double tapping on the note at the top of your inbox or their profile. Keep in mind that when you like a note, only a person who shared the note can see your like. Reply to note, your reply will start a conversation between you and them only. So basically, go back to your screen, go ahead to your Instagram, and then go ahead to your DMs at the top, and basically you get to see the notes that's been posted right here on your Instagram. You could double tap their notes, and that means that you is initiated like a reaction to that note, and you can start a conversation by commenting on that note on their DMs. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.